Hey guys, how you doing? I am great. Had a great night's sleep. I came back here to the Vicksburg uh, Military National Park thing because I was here last night and I was trying to find something that a person told me about, and I wanted to see if I could see it. Well, it was things up in the sky above the National Military Park. But I didn't see that. I saw a couple of flashes of light up in the sky, but it could have been anything. It was weird, and one thing just came straight down and disappeared. That's it. But I was here, while I was here waiting, um, it was like way dark. It was dark. And let me change the camera around. Okay. All right. Now, the visitor center is right there. Okay. I'm a couple spaces down, two parking spots down from where I am right now. Okay. There's a security light right there. Okay. And it's one of them lights that come on if something's, you know, there. I saw the security light go on, and then I saw movement come here, but I couldn't really tell what it was. It was it was kind of like distorted, you know. It really didn't have a form. And then it walked, went this way in front of the bin there, and then in front of the signs. Okay, both the signs and the part of this blacked out. The sign and that sign blacked out, and then it just disappeared. Uh, I just took a picture of the ranger to show you how tall those signs are. Well, you can kind of see by the car there, but just just in case he was standing right by it. So it couldn't have been a dog. It couldn't have been a cat or a raccoon or anything. It had to be something to black out both of those blue signs over there. Then I thought, okay, all right, let me turn this around again. Okay, so then I thought, well, maybe it's a traffic, in back of me. And, but I looked at I watched the traffic in back of me and the light changing because the street light was right at the corner here, and it does make a difference in the parking lot. But it doesn't have anything to do with the signs over there. So I don't know what it was. I don't know what it was. It was kind of freaky. Kind of freaky. And so, come on. I have just broke out in all kind of hives. I don't know if you can see. I don't know what the hell's going on. Just all of a sudden, bam! I'm just breaking out. Only in one spot. It's weird. Anywho, right after that incident, I saw something else walking by in the driveway, or in the street, and it kind of blended in with the pavement, right? It was a gray fox. It wasn't a dog. It wasn't a cat. Had a funky head and a big bushy tail. Had to be a fox. Had to be a gray fox because it was gray. Um, so, yeah, I had some good luck here yesterday. So I had to come back this morning to measure those signs to see just how high they were and make sure that I'm not losing any more of my mind. But yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm excited. I couldn't get back to the Confederate graveyard. I don't know why. I went all through the paths and everything and followed all the signs, but couldn't get back there. So, anywho, all right, that's it for this one. I've got a couple more things to tell you about this place, so I'll be back. Ooh. Uh, is there anyone out here that wants to say anything? Um, you know, fought and gave your life, some of you, and just it wasn't cool to have to die. So I just wondered if anyone wanted to say anything at all. Let me turn the car off. Okay. Now it's nice and quiet for you. Okay, you didn't like the car going, did you? No. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. Light it up if you were on the Union side. Okay, light this thing up here. All you gotta do is get near it if you were on the Confederate side. Okay. Did you get caught in the middle? All right. Well, I gotta go. But I hope you find peace. Yeah, I know. Well, take it easy, okay? And I hope you get to where you need to be. And, hey, walk through that door, man. Walk through that door and go get your reward, okay? Ooh. Bye. Okay. just going up and down these hills would have been terrible, let alone having to fight somebody.